Kids Own TV presents
The Lost Sheep. In a beautiful village nestled in rolling hills, lived a shepherd named Daniel. Daniel had a flock of sheep he cared for deeply. Every day, Daniel would take the sheep to graze in the lush pastures and bring them back safely to the fold each night. One evening, as Daniel counted his sheep, he realized one was missing. It was a little lamb named Lily, who often wandered off. Concerned, Daniel prayed, "Dear God, please help me find Lily and bring her back safely." With a lantern in hand, Daniel set off into the night. As he walked through the dark forest, he felt a sense of calm, knowing God was with him. Suddenly, he heard a faint sound. Following the sound, Daniel found Lily stuck in a thorny bush. Gently, he freed her and carried her back home. The next morning, the villagers praised Daniel for his dedication. Daniel smiled and said, "God guided me through the darkness to find Lily. His love is like that of a shepherd, always seeking and saving the lost." And so, the shepherd's faith and love brought Lily safely home.
Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.